Wayne County School District, Mississippi. The Wayne County School District is a public school district based in Waynesboro, Mississippi, USA. The district's boundaries parallel that of Wayne County. Schools: Wayne County High School, High School, Waynesboro Middle School grades 5-8, Waynesboro Elementary School grades K-4, Peak 4 Elementary School grades K-8, Wauketunna Elementary School grades K-8, Clara Elementary School grades K-8. Demographics: 2006-7 school year. There were a total of 3,896 students enrolled in the Wayne County School District during the 2006-2007 school year. The gender makeup of the district was 51% female and 49% male. The racial makeup of the district was 54.36% African American, 45.7% white, 0.23% Hispanic, 0.21% Asian, and 0.13% Native American. 65.5% of the district's students were eligible to receive free lunch. Previous school years. Accountability statistics: